Camping has always been one of the best physical activities you can partake in, as it allows you to exert yourself while being close to nature and spending quality time with your loved ones. Although being away from civilization can do us good, we just can't live without some aspects of it. And, on the top of that list is coffee. If you ask a coffee lover about the one thing they can never give up on, this caffeinated drink would be their answer 9 out of 10 times, and we are here to help you keep this beloved drink with you when you go on your next camping trip. This is why, with this guide, we will let you bring coffee along on your trip by reviewing the highest rated Campfire coffee pots in 2023 and helping you decide on your perfect pot through a dedicated buyer's guide. So without further ado, let's jump into it. Number 1. Coletti Campfire Coffee Pot. For large families of coffee lovers, the Coletti Bozeman Campfire Coffee Pot is a necessity. This large-size coffee pot is the perfect companion to take on camping adventures, as it is light and can produce 9, 12, and even 14 cups of coffee in a single go. The coffee pot also comes equipped with a wooden handle that resists heat and makes it easy to handle the pot after the coffee is brewed. The lid of this Campfire coffee pot is made from heat-resistant tempered glass that lets you keep an eye on your brew without letting any heat escape by opening. The Coletti coffee pot also comes with filters if you want a smoother blend. The stainless steel build of this Campfire pot makes it extremely durable and allows for an easy time cleaning it out, making it the best overall coffee pot. Number 2. GSI Outdoors Campfire Coffee Pot. Made from heavy-gauge steel, the GSI Outdoors Percolator Campfire Coffee Pot is the most formidable pot you will ever come across. Built to last, this enameled percolator makes coffee available in the harshest of environments, taking your stress away with rich, caffeinated goodness. Traditionally made, these pots go through the hardening process twice in the kiln at 1000 degrees Fahrenheit, and with the help of enamel, they are made scratch and chip resistant. The material used in the construction also allows for an even distribution of heat and enables even cooking. You can also keep an eye on your brew through the see-through resin cap, ensuring that every cup is brewed to perfection. Number 3. Stanley Campfire Coffee Pot. For French presses, a glass construction was the go-to until we were introduced to the Stanley Adventure all-in-one Campfire coffee pot and press. Made from durable metal alloys, this press is something that can bear the wrath of the outdoors and provide you with a genuine cup of coffee that you would get from a glass press. Not only that, this press has other applications as well, as it can be used to boil vegetables and cook soups. Additionally, this press comes with a lifetime warranty guarantee, so you can always count on the manufacturer to get a replacement in case of an accident. The pot is also extremely easy to use, as the metal used in the production of this pot is a natural insulator and keeps the heat trapped inside, making for a brew of the highest quality. Number 4. Primula Campfire Coffee Pot. No matter how much we advance, some things are way better when done the traditional way, and the Primula Today aluminum Campfire Coffee Pot is evidence of this. This percolator is made from lightweight but durable aluminum and is designed to provide a good cup of coffee with a strong aroma. This traditional coffee pot also gives you complete control over the strength of your brew and allows you to make coffee for large gatherings while keeping everyone's taste in view. The plastic handle installed on this pot is also heat resistant and is known to maintain a cool-to-touch feeling, and all of this comes at a highly affordable price point. Number 5. Graniteware Campfire Coffee Pot. Carrying a large Campfire coffee pot isn't always something you need, and you are just looking to get a cup or two of coffee going. This is where the Graniteware coffee boiler comes in. This compact porcelain Campfire coffee pot is the perfect companion for anyone who wants to take it easy and enjoys a good cup of coffee. This quick heating pot provides a traditional, energy-efficient way to grate coffee. Additionally, this pot is extremely long-lasting, as the porcelain surface keeps your coffee's integrity even after years of use. The fast heat absorption rate also allows you to get a cup of coffee going even on the smallest of fires, making it a great coffee pot for the outdoors.